The National Youth Working President of the National People's Party, Ricky Nongklau, has said that the revised MRSSA of the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is more robust than the MRSSA of the then Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma. Addressing the media at the NPP office in Shillong, Nongklau said, Dr. Mukul is harping time and again on the MRSSA just for political mileage. Nongklau also informed that Governor of Meghalaya also assured the state government that he would take up the Union Minister of the Home Affairs relating to revised MRSSA.
We are in constant touch, and the Governor has assured that we will take up these issues at its highest level with the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Contrast to the impatience of Dr. Mukul, it seems that the public is more aware to recognize that the MRSSA had to go through a stage of redrafting to give it teeth and make it foolproof, ensuring none of the aspirations of the people of Meghalaya are left out. The revised MRSSA will put a check on the communities, on the influx of illegal migrants in the state, and will ensure that there is adequate protection of the indigenous communities in Meghalaya. The MRSSA, in its current form, is more robust and substantial, unlike during the Congress regime, where it was toothless and vague. The MRSSA, passed by Dr. Mukul Sangma's government, was just an instrument to play with the people's emotion to earn petty vote bank. We are all aware it did not echo the needs, the voice, protection, issues concerning our people. Many of us have forgotten the pro-ILP agitations that took place back in 2013, when unspeakable number of innocent citizens were autocratically arrested by the government in just a matter of few months. Helpless people of the state had to bear the brunt of the situation under the dictatorial and tutorial regime led by Dr. Mukul Sangma. Innocent people lost lives simply because the Congress had shut their eyes and ears to the voice of the public. It is interesting to note that when the pro-ILP agitations were going on and Meghalaya was in the state of disarray, our very own leader of opposition was busy enjoying foreign tours, and later he had the audacity to justify it as a learning trip. In fact, Dr. Mukul Sangma's own government voiced out his ignorant and careless attitude towards the ILP issue through the High-Level Committee of 2012. His government had constituted the High-Level Committee in 2012. There was deliberation with all stakeholders, including NGO, traditional heads, ministers, and district councils.
Ndah bakim don sih hagabor, bat kidon nagaliang persyak. Kadai kamram juki tang siai persyak. Klem dah phaidien pat, ayu gilale khamtam nagaliang juki hapor kibat ekabor sensar. Tingila man pen kenal fi kendiak lu, ba daya hapor jong Dr. Mukul lathung komiti jongka high level committee ban pek hagabedai bakani kamat LP hagabala tung chairman yang sumber menteri jong uhi atau hapor wa bendolano rengkat kiwei kidkhot jong ketua komiti wan bisa hagabedai bak isu LP rewat ya kata ke komiti kalau rekomend kalau pediang man penteri kam ya ILP rei kam sim ladon kanu gajing penteri kam lan le badai benle nakaliang jong sarkar jong Mukul Sangma wan ngeken mau ya kawai gajing kentai jong Mukul Sangma hakaba yadai bakani ILP wat uba bendolano wadai chairman jong ketua komiti ulakan thojur ya ka sarkar jong Mukul ha ketua por ya gajing le bangsenyo nomor kalong tang kajing penurut ka ya ka por ya ka bor ha ban thau komiti thamtam ha bedai naga banta ke isu ILP te ke ka bangidan man ong ya Dr. Mukul Sangma ba di kinongelam jong ka kongres let no sala ki konstituensi lejong train naga banta ki pajba hot kidon nakaliang persyak tang ban su persyak compare reklut por na dia nak benta karoi ke par di ba konstituensi joki la de filipe biset di konstituensi joki bubun kinongelam khamtam jong kongres henlap ya gajing sak dien ka badang sak sikat dai mereka ni ke sarkar kadai ke sarkar upat ba kalau persang menyaya angkat bagi pajak kalau persang tunduk ban penteri kam ya kimat ki bakta yang ngi gejat bener badai ya kani ke sarkar ba lasim ya ke resolution dabaro ke malia banra satai sarkar pedeng bandawa ya ke ILP nak bentar jing dokam ki pajak buat hakabai dai but ke Meghalaya Residential Safety and Security Act kaba umukul ukran badai man petrekam kani sarkar kadang pek beniak kadang bisa kadang ilek kumno ban penbah ya kata